everybody, I'm back with one brand makeup tutorial. So today I'm using all Stay Quirky products. So let's get started with the makeup. I've already moisturized my face. Now I'm using this CC cream and BB cream from Stay Quirky, and I'm going to mix these two creams together, and these are my shades. So I'm just going to mix that together and applying it all over my face like this, and then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. So just take time in blending your BB cream if you're using these both creams, and don't forget your neck as well. So as they don't have concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. If you don't have dark circles or dark spots, you can directly skip this step, but I'm doing this as I have. Next, I'm locking my base with this Stay Quirky compact. So I'm going to take the compact with the same beauty blender like this, and then I'm making sure my base is locked neatly and it's not patchy. So after that, I'm taking this Stay Quirky kajal for filling my eyebrows. Just be light hand with this because you don't want your eyebrows look stark and dark. So just apply it like that and use this spoolie to remove the excess. So after that, I'm using same kajal for my waterline like this, and then I'm going to tight line like I'm doing here. After that, I'm going to extend my kajal down the waterline like this. I'm just going to apply it halfway through, like you can see here. I'm just stopping by the halfway, and then I'm going to blend it with my fingers like this. Next up, I'm using same compact for my eye base. So I'm going to apply it with my fingers and then blend it with my fingers as well, so that it looks neat. Next, I'm using this eyeliner from Stay Quirky, and then I'm going to do wing liner today. So for that, I'm just going to apply thin liner first, and then I'll see and extend my liner. So this is how my wing looks like. So it's gonna be easy and quick if you have practiced with your liner. So this is how my eye looks. After that, I'm doing same on the other eye. So once I'm done lining my eyes, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and apply mascara. So as they don't have mascara, I'm using EYETEX DAZLLER mascara, which is available super easily. So I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes with that. And don't worry about that mascara down there, we'll see to that later. For now, I'm using this kajal and connecting my waterline and my eyeliner like this. So after that, I'm using this liquid lipstick as a blush. So just apply 2 dots on your cheeks and then blend it quickly, because it takes a lot of time if you apply like I did. So don't do that mistake. If you do that also, just use your compact or a concealer and you'll be sorted. So this is how the blush looks for now. Then I'm using this another liquid lipstick from the same brand, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. And on top of that, I'm using this same liquid lipstick which I used as a blush to make it a little light. So yes, after that, I'm using this Stay Quirky green eyeliner for my waterline like this. And that's all. We are done with this makeup look. I really hope this video was helpful and you liked the look. I really loved how it turned out. And yes, if you're new to my channel, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the jazz, and thank you all so much for watching.